There we go. Iron program. Let's see what it is. Might not be a coin. Might be something else, but it looks like a coin, don't it? That's a button.
Is it?
I think so. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's a shank.
Yeah. It's got little designs on it.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Cow fast.
Huh?
Dug it out there.
Little button.
Alright guys, it says cow. It's my cow fast program. It's cow fast program. Look at this in this hole. Look at that manicore, boy. She's digging it too. In the middle of the jump. Let's see what that is. That's a fresh pool right there. Happy knee dance. Look. There it is. It's a real. It's a hold one too. That just happened right there. Definitely a real. There's a little. Man, how crazy is that? Alright, I'll go show him out there. Got something cool coming. Oh, might be a button. Let's see what it is. Taco. I got a button like that the other day. Completely taco. Oh.
Right. We'll fit a shank on the back, huh? No. That's so. Yeah. What is that?
That's my button.
Talk about modern penny, yeah.
It's a two-piece button.
I guess it's a button.
It's a two-piece. It's the half. It's the front.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Talk about modern penny. I'm done.
Over. Something good coming. Man, what's that? Token?
Token, yeah.
What's it say?
Got a token on there.
Pretty one too. Manicore magic happening right there, huh? What's that?
AC and call.
AC and cool. That's second token out here. What's that little guy doing back there? Killing that little coral boy.
Little mark on it. You got it, guy?
Yes, sir. All right, man. Another new find.
There it is.
I see the imprint from
Go
it
ahead,
right
get
here.
it, man. Get it.
I don't see it, but I see the imprint from
Oh, it's right underneath, folks.
it. Is it?
Yeah. They should done. But that's done.
Yeah, 23.
Man. Right in the middle of all this junk. It's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, she's nice. Hell yeah.
And there's one more.
Might be. Man, she's pretty.
That's nice clean.
Boom.
That's a good open there though.
Yeah, man. She's smooth around the edge. I like that.
Huh?
Pretty.
Fine.
All right, guys. Thanks for visiting. Go back to your own spots. No, just kidding. Well, let's go in. There it is. Look at that. Oh, it's a big snap.
Yeah. Nice one too.
Large.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh man, it's got the detail good. It's a good coin. No rare. Man, what is that? Oh, there she is. Britannia. Right on the back.
Yeah. Dan, Jerry. It's cool, man.
Huh? 99? Not well.
Big copper, I had it, one thing I
91, I'm sorry. But she did bounce to the 99. Like I said, there's so much other stuff in there. So I picked out a target over here and one over there.
Yeah, I see it too. See it right there. I remember this. Somebody King George
Boom.
sacrifice.
Yeah, man.
That's cool, man. It's a little pitted, but I'm pretty sure you probably get her
I
off.
think it's just on the back.
Yeah.
The front looks good. Man, look at that.
You got something coming through.
Britannia.
Yeah, you can see it now.
Like, whoop, stand there.
I like the sound of her.
Speaking, she's squealing.
What number that run up?
I think she's mainly a 99, but 91 in that area.
She weren't that deep either.
No. There it is. Coin number 3. He's going down deep too. Alright, back to finding more goodies. Run a 90 on the cow fast. Shear. Right there. Can't hide from that. We'll give everybody a good look. That's fun. Man, of course, digging on something too.
Yeah, 90 inch.
They're hanging out there. Ain't that nasty boy? That's fun when it's like that, ain't it? I take my dirt back. Quarter side. Looks like a modern quarter. Can't be so modern, right? I'm gonna put my dirt back. So.
Man, it'd be good though.
Is it? Is it a quarter? Pretty sure. Yes. Let's clean her up and we'll see. It looks like an eagle. The last quarter I found, that was destroyed just about. So. This looks like a really modern. Like it might have a mistake quarter.
Think it's real? Hey, what's up? Yeah.
There's that bird. It might be a bird. Anyway, crash. No, it might be Indian head right there.
Can't tell, man.
No, yeah, I can tell. There's a reef on it. It looked like. This fatty?
Yeah, I don't think. Check it out. You got
Yeah, man. That's 75. That's probably a 70. What's it? Are they 73s? 53s. Yeah, it's a fat Indian.
You went right. I know it's when you went right over top. I was like a low number. I was going too strong. I was like, I'm gonna go over there.
There it is. Let's see what the date is. I'm sure you can see the date.
What is that?
1862 or 3.
Is that a fatty one?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, he's gonna be mad.
That's her.
Oh,
Man.
Yeah, 1962. Yeah, 1862.
Yeah, because all that noise, I've been going right over everything. If it weren't 88 and above, I'm skipping that crap. Nice find. Happy man. Boy, he's out there. A quarter mile away. Maybe that's something cool. What? That's pretty cool.
What's it? Like a little pin, I guess.
Dang, that's neat. Okay, I wonder if it went on the front of that dude, that little body thing. Nah, I couldn't have because I wouldn't tore it. Neat. Boys are over there. Straight away. Let's go in on this 96 together. See him over here? Get down here. There he is. There's the imprint. And neat. Let's see what it is. It's another large scent. That's crazy. They're all over the place. So I've been on the old stuff today. I'll give her a couple grinds real quick. See if we can see anything, then I'll just let her dust up. See what kind of coin we're dealing with. I think we can feel the face on there and all still. Anyway, not right now, but I think by the time we get home, we'll be able to see something on her. It's kind of big, thick feeling there in the middle. There we go. I think we can see it a little bit. Hang on one second. And it just goes, huh? What is that? I could see a little bit. Didn't look familiar though, right offhand. They're my favorite kind. Anyway, there it is. I'll turn it because I don't know if you can see anything or not. Could be a head there, I don't know. A little bit of frou-frou right there. Alright. Good enough. Cool coin. Deus. 2. We just dug an old bullet or a bale seal. I ain't sure which. Looks like an imprint, but it could be anything. But got it on video just in case. Hey, you can see I had a little trouble digging this one. From there all the way over. That's like 20 inches. Target started off over here. I just couldn't figure this one out. 96 she was reading. Sitting right there on its edge. 96, and like I said, I started digging from over here and went clean over there trying to find that coin. We finally seen the green on the side, so let's get it out of there. Look at that, isn't that something? That imprint, that's pretty cool. Zoom in. Neat imprint. It's rare. Only found one other one like that was stuck on the side. That was a 1818. So that's what this looks like. Same thing. Isn't that weird? Why did they find themselves? Could be wrong. You never tell what they are. Wow. Neat, huh? I left them dudes way over there. Come check this out. And just found the other one right behind me. The other one. The other large scent. I don't know what it is right offhand. It's cool as all get it, huh? There you go. There's the star, so it's got to be a large Liberty scent of some flavor. I just don't know which brand. There she is. Liberty. We'll give her one more scrape. So she looks good there. Look at that. I ain't be able to get the ear off this one. The coins are coming out pretty decent other than the silvers. They've been worn down pretty good. I don't know if people just didn't want to get rid of them. There she is. Huh. Cool. Alright, I'm going to see if I can get another one in this little spot. Nice little hill ends right here, kind of. So there's another hill on the other side up by the road, so I'm going to check that too. I'm going to ride this hill as long as I can. Yes, another one. Let's get in here. Can you see him? I knocked him off the dirt. There we go. Second quarter, isn't that cool? Look at that. Oh, it's a shield. See the shield on the back of that? You can see the shield on. Is this a 2-center? What is this? This is cool though. Is it a 5 or 2? I really want a 2, and this was a perfect one. It's a 2. I have finally achieved greatness. And I even scratched it a little teeny bit. Might just did that now. Look at that, Bobby and Wheat. That's a perfect coin. Bobby didn't make it today because he had his phone on. And he got some work to do. I got some stuff to do here shortly, so I can't make much longer. Look how pretty that coin just popped in there. This is my hero right here, the one I've been looking for. 1864 on that date. Look how beautiful that coin is. Wow. Yes, I'm going to keep rubbing it just because I can't stop. Now that it's finally mine. I'm just sitting here reflecting how awesome this is. Man, I hope that's not my shovel. Put it in. I'm going to chop her right on up. There you go. Okay, well now let's put that right there and we're going to go look at this dirt. Because the dirt is cool. The imprint on there. That's just like the neatest thing. Hope you can see it. Can't tell if it's focusing or not. I can see it. It might be gone. There it is. Right here. Certain light you get it in, you can see it good. I know you don't want to look at dirt, but I'm just really tickled with that right now. I've been trying to get these dudes' attention, but they're in deep. We'll try to get him. We'll see him looking. Come on. Alright, man. Another hole. Here's what an 81 was. Now, this could be a fat Indian head. I don't know. Could be. It's a. Oh, nope. Nope. Oh, it's teeny. Must be a button. Teeny. Yep, button. That's only my second button today. Huh. Just polish it a teeny bit, see if there's anything fancy. If not, we'll continue on. Look, there's an imprint there in the middle there. And just a button. What you get? I'll put that in the button pocket. Something circular. Alright, that little ring.
Yeah, a little brass or whatever. Maybe.
That's a little kid's ring.
Fucking it.
Yeah, there's the little bumps. Huh.
Yep.
Man, that's neat.
Weird, eh?
Alright, there it is. First ring found on this one.
Alright.
Cool, man. Now that is neat.
Wait, what'd you find?
Button.
Button?
Yeah, put it in the button pocket.
Oh, okay.
There it is. That's the only one I found other than that first one.
Oh, yeah. A little bit bigger. The one up here.
Alright dudes, here's an 80. We just dug up a plate of some nature. Some kind of tag. I'm just gonna pop it off here now. Might have been more there with it. Some kind of rating on there. Pretty heavy brass. Baltimore. Except for something railroad. I don't know. It would be an O right here. Definitely says something R&R, so it's gotta be a railroad tag of some nature. That's kind of cool. Maybe this person worked there. We'll clean that up. Hopefully you see it. Maybe. Maybe there's nothing on the back. Oh, it is. Marion. Oh, wow. Is that Marion's? For sure that's what it is. Let's clean that up. If only. That would be really awesome. Yeah, that's exactly what it says on the back. Alright, cool. We're going to do no explaining on that. 62. Little teeny old button. Let me make sure this is zoomed in enough that you can. There we go. That tends to clear it up better. The teeny tiny button. Yeah, thin that thing is. Anyway, going in the button pocket. Guys, what we got here? Another round item. This one was deep, so let's take a look. That's a penny though. Pennies, yeah, that's like a, can't be. It's just a wheat penny. Dude, that was down there nearly 12 inches. I kid you not, that's the last scoop I took out. Yeah, oh wait. First one in today. Where's the silver? Has the Garrett's been in here and found silver a long time ago? Just couldn't find everything else. What's going on? I don't understand. Oh.